Happy New Year 2026. It is your SmackDown General Manager, Nick Aldis, and we are set for a huge night here in KeyBank Center in Buffalo, New York. It's the first SmackDown following a monumental Royal Rumble, and if you watch Royal Rumble, you know that some pretty major events took place on that night over that weekend. Not the last of which being that we have the WWE Women's Champion, and that woman will be in-house tonight. It's Tiffy time. Tiffany Stratton, the Women's Champion, the new WWE Women's Champion, will be here tonight on SmackDown. And the woman she defeated, Jade Cargill, the Never Seen 17, she will also be in the house. She has requested some time, which I have granted to Jade Cargill to address the occurrences that took place following the match at Royal Rumble, where she was attacked by the returning Mia Yim Michin. So, it's a huge night, and on top of that, KeyBank Center in Buffalo, New York. All that and so much more live tonight, 87 Central on USA and around the world on YouTube.